Hello dear friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. Be sure friends subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes, also please write comments. So let's get to our topic friends. First of all, please open Facebook. Next you will need if you are logged into your Facebook account to switch to the page. To do that, click on the bottom right on the menu and then at the top right click on this sign. Find your page and click on it. When you get to the page, you need to go to the page. To do this, click on its image, then click on the three dots. Next, you will need to click on this section right here. After that, scroll through a little bit. Click on Admin. And you need to log in here to make sure that you're the administrator of this page so that you can connect it to Instagram. Now please log out of Facebook and then go to Instagram. Next, click and open your Instagram page. At the top, click the three bars to open Settings and Activity. And here, friends, you will need to scroll through the menu and find the professional account. More specifically, you'll need to switch to a professional account. You can choose either creator or business. Once you select and switch to the professional account, you will see this gray box that indicates that you are already in the professional account. Now click Edit Profile. Then scroll a little bit, click on the Page section. Continue. Facebook Login. Continue. And here, you can select your Facebook page just by clicking on it and then Continue. So you will connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process, and I'm sure each and every one of you will be able to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget, friends, to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.